How to download Bingo Blitz on the PC. If you want to use or play the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to download it on your laptop, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. Then tap onto the search bar and type Bingo Blitz download, just like this, and tap on it. Then here you can find Bingo Blitz just right here. Now to download it, tap on to install on Windows just right here. Now tap on it and it will take you to your Microsoft Store just like this. Now to download it, simply tap on Get button right here. Tap on it. And now you can see it is now installing. And that's it. This is how you can download Bingo Blitz on your laptop or PC. It is a very easy process, right? Now enjoy playing the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.